You have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. You want to take the photos, videos, files off this phone and put it onto an external hard drive. But when you plug in the hard drive to your phone, it doesn't seem to be populating in the list. Some hard drives may work right off the bat, they're plug and play, but some are not. This is a Seagate portable 4 terabyte disk, and I just got it. If you look at some tutorials online, they may recommend you to get this camera cord or camera adapter, which I did get for this purpose. Nothing happened. They may recommend you to get this kind of a dock. Why isn't it populating? So I formatted this to exFAT. Go to Disk Utility on MacBook if you're new to MacBook. And on Windows, it's more straightforward than that. You just right click and format it. So you're going into your Files app. It'll show iCloud on my iPhone, recently deleted, and if you have it turned on, it may say something like Google Drive, something similar. What we're going to do to make sure that it populates, take the camera adapter, plug it in. Your portable drive. If it needs to be powered in the wall, go ahead and do that. This is a portable drive. It does not need to be powered by the wall. Gonna plug it in. It's not populating. The reason why is because this needs to be charged. My camera adapter has 2 slots. One is USB-A 3.0, which is very important. This has to be fast enough. And then it also has a little icon for lightning bolts. And I thought, oh, this is a USB-C. It isn't. It's a lightning adapter. What I'm going to do is plug this into the wall. So this needs to be powered. And that was the missing element. So this is my regular charging setup. It's a regular block. This is a Samsung block. Super fast charging. USB-C. I'm going to aim to swap out this whole dock for my regular charging cable. Remove the docking station for now and see if it works with a regular cable. Actually, once again, it's the iPhone, then the camera adapter, which is getting power from my regular charging cable, and then my Seagate portable. So let me see if it works with just the cable in the wall. Let's give it a second. Okay, it's buzzing. And it populates. Okay, so really just it's an energy distribution problem. And I think that was the point of that thing. Didn't make any sense anyway. All right, it's working. So that's the solution to your problem. Make sure, one, that your drive is formatted to exFAT. And the next thing is that you make sure that when you use a camera adapter, that it's actually getting power. I'm sure most situations vary. Some people, again, their drive may be plug and play, and some may just straight up be not compatible. So check your situation. If you have a popular drive like this one, and you have a camera adapter, try to see if the energy distribution of your setup is working, and try to consider those two things, formatting and then the energy. All right, have a good day.